Hi, today I'll show you how to change Apple payment, shipping address, and change your country. For example, if you move to different countries, you might need to change your shipping address. Also, if you want to add your Apple payment or new card, is all in same place. Go and click settings. On top you can see your name, Apple ID, iCloud, media, and purchase. Click here, and then you can see payment and shipment. So for payment, if you want to add any new card or new payment card, let's say you have a 2 bank account, you can add here, and then it will ask you whether you want to add these card details in your Apple payment. And if you want to change your shipping address or any payment address, bank address, is all in here. Also you can change country or region. These are all here. Yeah, and this is the all you can do from payment and shipping. Alright guys, shipping address change here, shipping address, country origin, and edit the payment method. If you have a new payment method, PayPal or mobile phone, you can add it here. Alright guys, thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe me. This is a short video, and don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this, give a thumbs up.